Good evening friends, my name is Ashish Nandakishore Patil. Our today's video topic is what is abstraction and our today's date is 17th of August 2020. So today we are exploring what is abstraction, what are abstract classes and what is interface. So let's get started. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is nothing but hiding the internal implementation. It's hiding the internal data. So what actually is this? So suppose when we go in the ATM, so what happens? We firstly we want to get when we go to the ATM. At that time, we initialize our card, means our ATM card. Then the machine will be call for the pin, means ATM pin, and then he suppose we want to deposit or we want to deposit the money, withdraw the money from the ATM. So this actually whole process will be done, means withdrawing the amount, or suppose we want to check the balance of our ATM, we want to get slip for our amount, what exactly amount will be present in our account. So this type of info or withdraw the amount will be happen. So at the back end, which activities will be performed, we don't know. So this is an example for the abstraction. So we don't know the internal implementation of the internal implementation. So this is nothing but the abstraction. So suppose we can do a code for someone, but without knowing them that what actually is internal implementation we will do. So this is also an example for the abstraction. Means we do the code, and actually what techniques or which language or something we will be using our code, that will be don't know, that will be don't know to the third party. So this is also an example of an abstraction. So let's get starts with what is actually abstract class. So abstract classes are nothing but the unimplemented classes or abstract method classes, unimplemented classes or methods. So what's actually is this? Suppose there is a class that is, suppose Ashish is our class, and inside the Ashish class there is the method that is add method will be there, and we will be passing the parameter that is int n1 and int n2. So these are the two variables which are we passing through our method. So and we don't put anything in the method, means this method don't have any body, and next to that of is next method we will call that is a void sub and int n1 and int n2. Yes. So and this method also don't have any body. So what happens actually is, when you compile this code, it will be showing the error. But when you make that methods abstract, or our class also make as an abstract, that is public abstract Ashish, and next to that of the method that is abstract void add int a int b, and next to that of is abstract void sub int a int b. So this method, so these are the implementation for that method is remaining. So next class will be created, that is Ashish1, Ashish Patil class will be there next, and this class extends with the first class that is Ashish. So what happens actually is, suppose we call this method, suppose we want to so what actually happens is, in Ashish class that two methods will be unimplemented. So when we call this, when we extend that class with our then our new class that is Ashish Patil, so that all methods will be that unimplemented methods or remaining methods will be called in this class, and this class, and we perform the operation, that is this class perform the operation, that is void add int a int b. So we will be, that is sys out, we will be putting a plus b, and in sub method that is we will be minus that a minus b. And suppose we want to create we want to check the unimplementation means abstract class once again. So make the two methods, that is void mul and multiplication abstract, and void division abstract. So int a int b, just like before we will be doing. So what happens is when we call the third class, that is Ashish Patil 1. So in that class, that divide and multiplication method will be called when you are extending that class with the Ashish Patil class and that unimplemented methods are get implemented. So this is nothing but abstract class. And when you call that all class, creating at the time of main class, when you creating that object for the main class, means the Ashish Patil 1 class, that methods will be get called. So you can, by using that reference variable, you will be having the that is a dot add, a dot subtraction, a dot multiplication, and a dot division also. So this is nothing but all about the abstract classes. So before, let's go for the interface class. So what is the interface? It's not a class. What is interface? You see, it is interface class, but what's actually is interface is? So interface is nothing but, suppose let's see, let's take an example for the class, which it's a class as a Ashish is the class. So inside that class, we will be just same as abstract class. So void add int a int b, and I cannot give the body, or I cannot perform any operation for that class. And next to that of is a method I have called, that is a void sub int a int b, and I have also not implemented anything in that inside class, means this method also is don't having any body. So so it will be showing the error. So what happens here? How can we resolve that error? Suppose you can make your class as directly as interface, means you make that Ashish class that interface, that is interface class interface Ashish. So that unimplemented gets so our issue get resolved. But suppose I have created another class, that is in our Ashish class, that methods is not get implemented. So if you want to implement that method, so next class will be created, that is a Patil class. So in Patil class, when we Patil class implements the Ashish class, so that the Ashish class is also an interface. So that Patil class will be implements all the methods which are present in Ashish class. So that we having the access in our Patil class for the methods which are present in Ashish class. So void add int num, and we will be printing the, that is giving the method as sysout. Inside that we will perform the addition, that is a plus b, and in subtraction we will perform that a minus b. And when, if you want to create another method, that is multiplication and division, but not implementing that methods in the class. So first you make your class as interface and implement that methods in next class. So so without in the so in next class, and at the time of in main class, when you create an object for the Patil class, you will be having the access for the all methods which are present in them. So you can perform that a dot add, a dot subtract, a dot division, a dot multiplication also. So this is by taking a as a reference variable. So this is nothing but an interface. So what actually is in abstract class, you want to extend the class, and then you want to perform, you having the access for the that methods of the first class. But in interface, you want to implement the method for the first class. Means this is the difference between interface and the abstraction. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good day to all.